Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best espresso machines that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research. I have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Breville Barista Express Espresso Machine BES 87XL. The Breville Barista Express is the machine that got me into home espresso, and after testing dozens of alternatives, I still recommend it as the best entry point for beginners. With over 21,000 reviews and a 4.5-star rating, this machine has proven itself in thousands of home kitchens. What makes it special is the integrated conical burr grinder, which means you don't need to spend hundreds more on a separate grinder to get started. I've pulled hundreds of shots on this machine, and what impresses me most is its consistency. The 15-bar Italian pump delivers proper extraction pressure, and the heated group head maintains temperature stability shot after shot. The built-in steam wand produces microfoam quality that rivals what I used to make on commercial machines, though it takes some practice to master. At $500 to $700, it's an investment, but having the grinder built in saves you money compared to buying a separate grinder and machine. The learning curve is real with this machine. You'll need to experiment with grind size, dose, and tamp pressure to dial in your shots. But that's actually part of the appeal. This machine teaches you the fundamentals of espresso making without overwhelming you with too many variables. It's also built like a tank. The stainless steel construction feels premium, and the machine has held up beautifully through daily use. If you're serious about understanding coffee extraction and want a machine that will grow with your skills, the Barista Express is hard to beat. At number 4, we have the Breville Barista Pro Espresso Machine BS 8778BSS. The Barista Pro is what happens when Breville takes everything great about the Express and adds some serious performance upgrades. The thermojet heating system is a game changer, bringing the machine to brewing temperature in just 3 seconds. I used to grab my phone while waiting for my old machine to heat up. With the Pro, I'm pulling shots before I finish stretching in the morning. Where the Pro really shines is the grinder. With 30 grind settings compared to the Express's 16, you have much finer control over your extraction. I can make micro adjustments to nail the perfect shot with different beans, and the LCD display makes it easy to track your settings. The digital temperature control with PID is another pro-level feature. Being able to adjust brew temperature by single degrees lets you optimize extraction for different roast levels. I run my light roast at 200 degrees Fahrenheit and dark roasts at 195 degrees Fahrenheit for best results. At $700 to $900, the Pro sits in that sweet spot where you're getting professional grade features without breaking into 4-figure territory. If you're comparing it to the Barista Express or the Barista Touch, the Pro offers the best balance of control, speed, and value. It's my top pick for coffee enthusiasts who want to level up from entry-level machines. At number 3, we have the Breville Barista Touch Espresso Machine BES and 80BSS. The Barista Touch bridges the gap between manual espresso machines and super automatics, and it does so brilliantly. The touchscreen interface is intuitive enough that my partner, who was intimidated by my other machines, now makes lattes without asking for help. You can program custom drinks, adjust every parameter, and the machine remembers your preferences. It's like having a barista's knowledge built into the interface. What really sets this apart is the automatic milk texturing. The steam wand has sensors that monitor temperature and automatically shuts off when your milk reaches the perfect point. No more scorched milk or temperature guessing. The machine creates silky microfoam consistently, and I've pulled off some of my best latte art on this machine. The thermojet heating system means no waiting between pulling shots and steaming milk, which speeds up your morning routine significantly. At $900 to $1,100, you're paying a premium for convenience, but if you value consistent results without the fiddling, it's worth every penny. The touchscreen isn't just a gimmick. It genuinely improves the user experience for households where multiple people want great coffee without becoming espresso experts, or for those who want semi-automatic performance with automatic convenience. The Barista Touch is an excellent choice. At number 2, we have the Breville Bambino Plus Espresso Machine BS500 BSS. Don't let the small size fool you. The Bambino Plus packs serious espresso making capability into a footprint that's perfect for small kitchens and apartments. At just 12 inches wide, it fits comfortably under standard kitchen cabinets while delivering the same thermojet heating technology as Breville's larger machines. I keep one in my home office, and it's become my go-to for afternoon pick-me-ups. The automatic milk frothing is surprisingly good. You just submerge the wand, press a button, and the machine creates microfoam with the right texture for latte art. It's not quite as hands-on as manual frothing, but the consistency is excellent. The machine reaches brewing temperature in 3 seconds, so there's minimal wait time. I've timed myself making a complete cappuccino in under 90 seconds, which is impressive for any machine at this price point. At $400 to $500, the Bambino Plus offers exceptional value, especially considering it includes features typically found on more expensive machines. The main limitation is that you'll need a separate grinder, but if you already have one or are planning to invest in a quality burr grinder, this is an excellent choice. It's also a fantastic option if you're comparing the Bambino models and want the automatic milk frother. For apartment dwellers, students, or anyone with limited counter space who refuses to compromise on espresso quality, the Bambino Plus is hard to beat. And finally, at number 1, we have the Gaggia RI938046 E24 Espresso Machine. The Gaggia Classic Pro is a legend in the home espresso community, and for good reason. This machine uses a commercial-style 58mm portafilter and brew group, the same size you'll find on $3,000 professional machines. That means you can use any aftermarket portafilter, basket, or tamper designed for commercial equipment. The modding community around this machine is massive, with everything from PID temperature controllers to pressure profiling mods available. Out of the box, the Classic Pro is basic but capable. The 3-way solenoid valve is a premium feature rarely seen at this price point, immediately relieving pressure after pulling a shot for cleaner puck removal. The commercial brew group maintains excellent temperature stability, and the machine is built like a tank with mostly metal construction. I've seen Classic Pros that have been running daily for over a decade with minimal maintenance. At $400–500, it's priced similarly to the Bambino Plus, but appeals to a different type of user. If you're the kind of person who enjoys tinkering and wants a machine you can modify and upgrade over time, the Classic Pro is perfect. It's also excellent for those interested in comparing traditional Italian machines to modern designs. The steam wand takes practice to master, and you'll need a separate grinder, but the machine teaches you proper espresso technique. For beginners who want to learn on equipment that won't limit their growth, this is an outstanding choice. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.